Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. In today's video, we'll be making a beautiful double braided cap. It's gonna be a V-neck cap to have a V-neck band. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, the fabric will be using this orange crepe. This is a crepe fabric. So the first thing I'll do is to cut out the main body of the cap. I'll fold my fabric into two. Now the length will be 12.5 inches. Is a plain design, does not have a pleat. So if you have been watching my previous videos, I've been making different type of pleated turban, but this time around we'll be making a plain one. This will be a plain design. So I will go ahead and mark 12.5 inches for the width of the cap. Now for the length, I will make it 25 inches. That is 12.5 times 2 will give me 25 inches. Because it's on fold, if you open it up, you can go ahead and cut it straight. So I'm having 12.5 for the length and the width 12.5 as well. Or I can extend it to 13 inches if I want. I'll join the lines together, then I'll cut it out. I'll cut the second one, which will be my lining. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. The next thing I'll cut will be my band. The width of the band will be 2 inches on fold. So if you open it up, it will be 4 inches. I'm making use of the stretchy side, not this side. I want it to be this side, so I'll go ahead and cut from this edge. For the length, I'm marking 15 inches, while the width is 2.2 inches, or you can call it 2 1/4. I'll use the 1/4 as the seam allowance. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. I will as well cut out the second piece. Then for the braid, because it's double braided, so that means one braid will contain 3 strips. So I'll cut 6 of it. So each of them I will measure 2 inches by 25 inches. So maybe I'll go ahead and mark 27 inches. If it's too much, I'll trim it off. I'm cutting 6 pieces, so I'll fold it into 2 and cut out 2 at once. Then I'll open it up. Now I've cut out 6 pieces of this. So guys, the next thing I will cut now, I will cut a tiny wording. I will put inside it like this length. So I'll be cutting it as well in 6 pieces. After then, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Now I've cut 6 of the wording. The next thing now is to start sewing. The first thing I'll do is to pick my band. I'm going to cross it like so. I'll place it like so. You can see. Then I'll go ahead and sew right at this edge. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. So after then, I'll close up the 2 sides. So I'll first join it to have a V shape. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've joined it, you can see the V shape. The next thing to do is to pick the cap. Now I will notch the center of my cap. I'll open it up as well, notch the center of the band. From this point, I'll trace it to be the center of the band. Now place it at the center of the cap as well. I'll pick the second one and notch it to trace the center. Then the right side is facing each other. I'll place all the center piece together. Using my pin, I'll secure it there. Now I will trace it. I'll place each of the, then I'll go to my sewing machine and join the band and the two pieces together. I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew through this line. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've joined it, you can see. The next thing I'll do, I'll close it up like so. The band, I'll pull it inside. I'll push it inside, then cover up the edges. I'll go to my sewing machine and sew through and close it up, leaving like 1 inch or 2 inches rather, leaving 2 inches where I will pull it out. The same thing I do to the other side, I'll do it to this one. I'll push the band inside and then make sure that when you are sewing it, it will not touch the band. So I will as well sew through these 3 sides, the 2 sides here and this downside. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've sewn it through, leaving this place. So from this point, I'll pull it out to the right part, right side. Now I've already pulled it out. I'll go ahead and close up this open edge. After then, I'll show you the next thing I will do. Now I've closed up this edge, I will put it aside. Now I'll go to my sewing machine now and sew the right side facing each other. I'll sew through the wrong side. I'll sew each of them. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. I've sewn it. So the next thing I'll do, I'll turn all of them out with my safety pin. The next thing I'll do is to use my safety pin and pass it through the sewn pieces. Now I have inserted the wording inside each of them. The next thing I will do is to braid it, but I have to secure this edge first before I braid. I'll place it like so. The sewn part should face down. Then I'll secure it. Now I'll go ahead and braid. I will as well secure it at this point. I will as well secure it here at this edge. Now the next thing I'll do for the main cap, I'll close it up. I'll fold it into 2 equal parts. For the band, I'll measure 11 inches. So from these 11 inches, I will take it down from this line and curve it at this edge. Then close it up. After then, I'll show you the next thing I'll do. I've closed it up, so I'll go ahead and make a running stitch at the edge like this. I'll run it to this side. I will secure it and run it again. I will as well secure it. Now I'll open it up. Now, this is the cap, you can see. Now, the next thing is to attach my braid. I want to cut a handle for it. I'll fold it into two, like so, and just trim the down part. I'll just slant it. Then I'll go to my sewing machine now and fold it in. I'll first of all fold it in with 1/2 inch. Then I'll close it up. So I'll go and sew it. After then I'll show you the next thing I'll do. Now I've sewn it, I'll turn it out to the right side. Now I'll keep it aside. The next thing I'll do, this is the down part, which is the wrong side. You can see the seam lines here. So this is the right side. I did not allow the seam line to show. So I'll go ahead and place it together. Then I'll tack it so that it will not loosen. So both of them will be together. From inside, you can see my thread is not showing. You can see. I'll tack it like 3 or 4 places. I'm tacking it neatly. I will as well use my hot glue to make it more neat. So I'll go ahead and use my hot glue. So guys, the cap is ready. You can see. I'll just place it. So guys, I've attached the two handles to make it firm and detachable one. So guys, you go ahead and tie it on the hair of the doll. You can see how it looks. This is the back, the side, and the front. You can decide to use only these two in one. You can rock it with any of your design. So I hope this video is helpful. So if you like it, drop your comment at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Bye until I see you in my next video. Just try it out. It's very simple and easy. Bye.